wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best American Girl dolls. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, parents who want to encourage their kids to travel the world and perhaps do a semester in Paris should give them Grace Thomas. She wears a charm bracelet her mother gave her, adorned with an Eiffel Tower, postcard, little suitcase, and more. She also sports a cute and tightly woven braid. However, the price is a lot higher than others, and there's not much detail on the clothing. At number 9, if you'd like your child to take more of an interest in and feel connected to their Hispanic roots, then Josefina Montoya is a perfect choice. Her outfit can be a little complicated for younger children to put on and take off though. She comes with beautiful hoop earrings and a soft and huggable body, but the small hair ribbon is easy to lose. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Tenney is a modern girl whose story will encourage kids to dream big and express their authentic selves. She wants to be a country singer-songwriter, and her stylish outfit includes a cool faux leather skirt and ankle boots. Her hands are positioned to hold a guitar, and she wears a cute woven bracelet. However, that extra long hair tangles easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for American Girl dolls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the artistic Gabriela McBride was the official American Girl of 2017. Her character's inspiring story is one of a girl with a stuttering problem who overcomes it with speech therapy and spoken word poetry. In addition to writing, she loves to express herself through dance. She comes with a fun, casual dance outfit, but note that the dance bag accessory is sold separately, and the quality of her hair could be better. Moving up our list to number 6. The young rockabilly in your home will adore the vintage sweetheart dress and shiny Mary Janes on Maryellen Larkin. She has a cute little knit shrug with an embroidered M and a smooth silky wig that can be combed and styled. This girl loves science and geography, and her story is great for trailblazers. However, note that the hair appears more red in person. Halfway up our list at number 5. Luciana Vega arrives in an out-of-this-world celestial dress that reflects her dream of becoming the first human to go to Mars. This aspiring astronaut wears a shiny choker and has a modern purple streak in her straight brown hair. She features holographic lace-up boots and a red purse belt, but the separate astronaut costume is pricey. At number 4, clever Kittredge is the subject of a popular movie named after her character about life in the difficult 1930s. He has a quirky short hairstyle that's ideal for younger children who may tend to get their doll's hair in knots. She's got adorable freckles on her cheeks and matching print and floral buttons. However, the belt is not detachable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. One of the more contemporary characters in the lineup, Logan Everett is a drummer and bandmate to Tenney. He has the distinction of being the first male American Girl doll. His hands are positioned to help him hold drumsticks. He comes with a fun side-swept mop of hair and makes a nice companion for a boy. Sadly, no musical instruments are included. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for American Girl dolls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Melody Ellison's adventure takes place in 1960s Detroit at the height of the Civil Rights Movement. She's a wonderful gift for someone who appreciates vintage clothing and an important history lesson. Her patent leather shoes with cute bows match her headband. She sports a playful hairstyle along with washable socks and underwear. She has an optimistic story of a budding singer. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Samantha Parkington was one of the first 3 American girls, along with Kirsten and Molly. If you want to start your child's collection from the beginning, then you can't go wrong with this classic and ultra-feminine model. She comes with an authentic 1904 outfit with precious ruffles on the sleeves, along with a manners and mischief book. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for American Girl dolls, or simply click beneath this video.